Hello, hi, good
Hello.
evening. Yes, welcome
Hi, good
to my
evening.
class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, clearly.
That's great. Is this Daiki?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this,
nice to
my
meet
name is nice to meet you.
nice to meet you today,
You.
Daiki. All right, how
Thank
are you
you.
doing today, Daiki?
Uh, it it is work day.
Work day today. All right.
Yeah.
Mm.
I was I'm so good
Oh, good to
today.
hear
Yeah.
that. That's great.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
nice. All right, so I can see here you chose Grammar Beginner 34. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So today's lesson is number 34, and the title is What Animal Were You Going to Sketch? Please read the title.
What animal were you going to sketch?
That's right. And also, please check today's goal.
Yes, I'm down.
All right, so now let's move on to today's phrase. Please repeat after me twice, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start with the first one. So, what animal were you going to sketch?
Uh, what animal were you going to sketch?
Okay, one more time. What animal are you going to sketch?
What animal were you going to sketch?
I was going to sketch giraffes.
I was going to sketch
All
giraffes.
right, one more time. I was going to sketch giraffes.
I was going to sketch giraffes.
All right, now let's check today's grammar point. Okay, so let's check this together. So we
Okay.
have was, were, going to. Okay, please read.
Okay. What were going to do?
Going to. All right.
Going to. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
below it's was, were, going to do is used to express things you plan to do but didn't do for some reason. Okay, please
Hmm.
read it one more time.
Okay. What we're going to do is used to express things you plan to do but didn't do for some reason.
Okay, so you are supposed to do that, but you failed to do it, right? Because of
Okay.
something else. All right, so we
Okay.
also have here use was or were going to talk about things that you intended to do but didn't do for some reason, almost the same. Please read the example. Example.
Example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Example. I was going to sketch giraffes.
All right. I was going to sketch giraffes, but you were not able to sketch, right? Yeah, so
Hmm.
it was your plan, but you didn't make it. Okay, is it
Hmm.
clear?
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, and now let's move on to new words or expressions. Please check the direction here.
Okay. Yes, I'm down.
All right, so let's listen to US pronunciation, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Yes.
so
Okay.
please listen and repeat after the audio. Okay, let's have the first one.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. Okay.
What's the matter?
Mhm.
What's the matter?
All right, what's the matter? It's used for asking someone if there is a problem. Okay, please
Okay.
read the sample sentence.
What's the matter?
Okay, and the next is
Zoo.
Do.
zoo. It's a place where many kinds of animals are kept so that people can see them. All right, please read the sentence.
Okay. We are gonna. We were gonna go to the. To, sorry.
It's okay.
We were gonna go to the zoo.
All right, so you're gonna go to the zoo. All right, let's have the next. Here we go.
Could.
Uh, could.
Could. All right, it's a verb. It's used as the past tense of can. All right. Okay, please read the sample sentence.
Okay. We couldn't. Could not go to the zoo.
All right. So couldn't is a contraction of could not. Okay. All right. Let's have the next.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. It's a very tall African animal that has an extremely long neck and legs. All right.
Mm,
Please read the sentence.
okay. Emma was going to sketch giraffes.
Giraffes. Yeah. Very tall animal, right?
That's
Yes.
all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very tall. Okay, let's have the next. I don't know which one is taller, giraffe or elephant.
Elephant.
All
Yeah.
right, let's have the next.
Okay.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. It's a very large gray animal that has a long, flexible nose and two long tusks. All right, please read the sentence.
I was going to sketch elephants.
Elephants. All right, and the last one. Here we go.
Permission.
Permission.
Permission. It's the right or ability to do something that is given by someone who has the power to decide if it will be allowed or permitted. Okay, please read the last sentence.
Okay. I'm going to ask your mom for uh, permission.
Per, per,
Permission.
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 All right, so we're done with words and expressions. Do you have any questions so far?
None so far.
Okay, so now let's continue. Let's move to short conversation. Please check the directions here.
Yes, I'm down.
Okay, so we will do role play here, but first let's listen to the audio. All right?
Okay.
Here we go.
Layla found her nephew, William, being sad.
Hey, Willie, what's the matter?
We were gonna go to the zoo, but Dad had to work, so we couldn't go.
When were you gonna go there? Today?
Yes, Emma and I were going to sketch animals.
Oh, yeah? What animals were you going to sketch?
Emma was going to sketch giraffes, and I was going to sketch elephants.
That sounds great. How about you guys go to the zoo with me?
Really? We can go?
Of course we can. I'm going to ask your mom for permission, so wait here, okay?
Okay, so the boy sounds like an adult. Yeah. I was thinking it was a boy's voice. All right.
Voice. No boy voice. Okay.
Okay. All
Okay.
right. So for the second step, we're going to read the conversation together. Okay.
Okay.
So please repeat after me once. Okay. Layla found her nephew William being sad.
Layla found her nephew, William, began sad.
Hey Willie, what's the matter?
Hey, Willie, what's the matter?
We were gonna go to the zoo, but Dad had to work, so we couldn't go.
We are gonna go to the zoo, but Dad had to work, so we couldn't go.
When were you gonna go there? Today?
Yes, Emma and I were going to sketch animals.
Um, please repeat after me, okay? Not a
Sorry,
role play yet.
yeah.
It's okay. All right.
Where were you? Sorry. Okay. We were, we were.
When
Sorry.
were?
When were you gonna go today?
All right. When were you gonna go there? Today?
Mm,
All right. Okay. Next is
mm.
yes. Yes. Emma and I were going to sketch animals.
Yes, Emma and I were going to sketch animals.
Oh yeah? What animals were you going to sketch?
Oh yeah, what animals were you going to sketch?
Emma was going to sketch giraffes, and I was going to sketch elephants.
Emma was going to sketch giraffes, and I was going to sketch elephants.
That sounds great. How about you guys go to the zoo with me?
Uh, that sounds great. How about you guys go to the zoo with me?
Really? We can go?
Really? We can go?
Of course we can. I'm going to ask your mom for permission, so wait here, okay?
Uh, of course, of course we can. I'm going to ask your mom for permission. So wait here, okay?
Alright, okay, so now let's do the role play. So I'll be Layla,
Okay,
you'll be William, okay?
okay.
Alright, so let's start. Hey Willie, what's the matter?
We are gonna go to the zoo, but Dad had to work, so we couldn't go.
When were you gonna go there? Today?
Yes, Emma and I were going to sketch animals.
Oh yeah? What animals were you going to sketch?
Emma was going to sketch giraffes, and I was going to sketch elephants.
That sounds great. How about you guys go to the zoo with me?
Really? We can go.
Of course we can. I'm going to ask your mom for permission. So, wait here, okay? Alright. Okay, so let's
Okay.
switch the roles this time. You'll be
Okay.
Layla, I'll be William, okay?
Okay.
Alright, please start.
Okay. Uh, hey, Willie. What's the matter?
We were gonna go to the zoo, but Dad had to work, so we couldn't go.
When were you gonna go there today?
Yes, Emma and I were going to sketch animals.
Oh yeah. What animals were you going to sketch?
Emma was going to sketch giraffes, and I was going to sketch elephants.
That sounds great. How about you guys go to the zoo with me?
Really? We can go?
Uh, of course we can. I'm going to ask your mom for permission. So wait here, okay?
Alright, very good. That's nice. Okay, so do you have any questions with regards to this conversation? Taiki?
No, okay, no,
Is
no question.
alright.
Yeah, question, okay?
Okay, so everything is clear. Now let's move to the next part. We have the question part. So
Hmm.
please check the directions here.
Yes and down.
Okay, so you have three questions to answer about the story. Let's start with number one question. Why is William sad?
Uh, because 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 they were supposed to go to the zoo, but his dad had to work.
Exactly, yes. All right. Let's just try to practice this word. Let's try to pronounce this again.
Hmm.
Supposed.
Supposed,
One more time. Supposed.
supposed.
Very good. Okay,
Hmm.
let's have the second question.
Okay,
What
okay.
were William and Emma going to do at the zoo?
What? Uh, okay. Okay.
Mhm.
They were going to sketch animals at the zoo.
That is right. Very good. Okay. They were going to sketch animals at the zoo. That's the correct answer. And the last one, what is Layla's idea?
Okay. Her idea.
Mhm.
Her idea is her idea is to take
Yes.
Emma and William to the zoo.
Very good. That's right.